Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make this stylish cone sleeve. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Now after folding my fabric in two like this, I'll mark out 4.5 just like this. After marking, cut the shape. Now we'll place this piece on the fabric, then use it to cut out the remaining 5 pieces. So after cutting, when you open it up, this is how it looks. Now I'll place it on the gum stay, then cut to the exact shape. After cutting it, place it like this, then iron to gum them together. So I'm done ironing all the 6 cones now. This is another piece for turning. So place it like this. After placing it, sew it round. So after sewing, turn to the front like this, then iron it again to make sure it is perfectly flat. I'll do the same to the other extra 5 pieces. Fold, then sew. Now to cut the sleeve, I'll mark out 3 from the edge. Then use my free hands to curve my shape. Then I'll mark out 18 as my sleeve length. Mark out the round sleeve, then cut the shape. After cutting, open up the hand. Place the cones on it like this. I'll use pins to attach them to the sleeve before sewing with my machine. So after sewing, this is how it looks. That is how to make this cone sleeve. Thanks for watching to this point. See you in my next video.